A register refers to the language style adapted to different situations, whether it is formal or informal, public or private, professional or casual. It reflects how speakers modify their language depending on the situation, such as the setting, the relationship between interlocutors, and communicative intent. It describes the relationship between the interlocutors and uses the appropriate level of formality or informality. Register varies in terms of vocabulary, grammar, tone, and even pronunciation. Nordquist enumerated five registers, including frozen, formal, consultative, casual, and intimate. These registers exhibit a level of formality. Frozen, also known as static, is the most formal register. It is a language that is ritualistic and remains unchanged over time. This is the language that is generally used in legal texts, prayers, and pledges. Formal is less rigid but still remains structured, impersonal, and precise. We usually use this register in official and professional contexts, including academic presentations, conferences, and news reporting. Consultative is a semi-formal, two-way communication occurring in professional and educational interactions, like between doctors and their patients or teachers and their students. Casual loses formality, also called informal register. It is a relaxed and colloquial language used among peers, often including slang and contractions. Lastly, intimate. Intimate register is a highly personal language used between close relationships, such as family members or partners, often including pet names or inside jokes. Mode 3 introduces the simplified three-register model composed of formal, informal, and neutral. Formal language is the structured and precise language used with unfamiliar or official audiences, often characterized by elevated and precise language. Informal, on the other hand, is used with familiar people in relaxed settings. It can be casual and intimate depending on the privacy of the communication. Neutral language, often characterized as objective and factual communication, is often used in everyday or professional contexts. Speakers often adjust their registers during conversations, depending on the context, audience, and familiarity. For example, it is common for teachers to address one another casually in the staff room, and then adopt a more consultative register when speaking with a parent or school board trustee. Cultural context influences how registers are used. Different cultures have unique ways of expressing formality or intimacy. For instance, English lacks formal pronouns found in some Latin languages, affecting how speakers signals respect and familiarity. Now, I want you to answer these questions. Number 1. Registers change depending on the audience and context. Think of a time when you had to adjust your register. How did this shift affect the way you express yourself and how others responded? Number 2. Cultural context strongly influences how people use formality or intimacy in speech. In your own culture or community, how do people show respect, familiarity, or closeness through language? Compare this with how English registers handle the same situations.